I believe that you are going to be a big surprise in New Hampshire presidential race against Obama. Mitt.
Gee. I hope so. I like surprises. The last surprise was when? Well, I can't really remember when.
Well, I wish that I could remember why I couldn't answer the questions on Libya in that interview. Gee, I think that I'm tired.
Well, I don't have any problems remembering. I worked for 4 presidents and I think that I was a governor of Utah at one time and the CEO of the Huntsman Corporation and maybe 1 or 2 more things. I don't know, with my perfect hairstyle and eyebrows I still look like I'm tired when I'm on television. Well, I worked for just about everyone that was making big money, I think, even for myself somewhere along the line.
Just don't ask me any more questions ever. Ever. Again.
Well, that you gentlemen for what was supposed to be an informative presidential race debate, but I am sure that everyone out there has switched off and gone to bed by now.